और ये स्कीम में PMAY 2.0 बेनिफिट्स क्या है फॉर द पब्लिक? व्हाट आर देयर एडवांटेजेस?
So there are many advantages. What is today is the benefit of subsidy that the beneficiary will get, which is 1.8 lakhs. If I may give an example to you, someone is looking for a loan of say 10 lakhs. Okay. Now on that 10 lakhs, if we talk a 1.8 lakhs of subsidy, which is approximately 18% will be passed on to the customer in their loan account. And let me tell you, this 1.8 lakhs will be passed on to the beneficiary in 5 equal installments.
Okay.
So 36,000 rupees every year. If I multiply that by 5, that is around 1,80,000 rupees.
Okay.
So this is one of the biggest benefit. Now second, now if you see all these, since I mentioned during my conversation that this is for the first time home buyer.
Yes.
And this is also for the people who are owning an informal house, which is a kacha house. And the people wanted to upgrade their life from kacha house to pakka house.
बिल्कुल.
So this is for them also, wherein people will obviously raise their standard of life, plus they will have a better life with a lot of amenities.
भाविन, PMAY 2.0 के इतने सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं, बट टू अवेल ऑफ दीज बेनिफिट्स कोई बेसिक कंडीशंस तो रहेंगे. इट कांट बी फॉर एवरीबॉडी फ्रॉम माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
The first one, a consumer, a beneficiary should not have a pakka house anywhere in the India. That
Achha.
is the number one condition. Number two, so the loan has to be not greater than 25 lakhs. The property size has to be less than 120 square meter carpet.
Okay.
And the property value, it can't be greater than 35 lakhs. This is the second criteria, that a beneficiary has to be of either of the category. Number three, and this is one of the important one, government is saying that a woman has to be the owner of the house, either a owner or the co-owner.
अच्छा.
And also woman has to be part of your loan application. It could be as an applicant or it could be as a co-applicant.
तो ये एक कंडीशन है, मैं मानता हूँ.
Yes.
बट इफ देयर इज नो फीमेल मेंबर, तब क्या किया जाए? कैन वी स्टिल टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ PMAY 2.0?
So in this case, if any adult woman is not there in the family, then also the subsidy benefit will be passed on to the family,
Okay.
to a male member also.
Okay.
And in another case, there could be an instance when someone is divorcee or a separated one, then also the benefit will be passed on. And the one more important and crucial point is that government has defined the basis the income criteria. So for the income eligibility, there are 3 categories of the people that has been defined by the government: EWS, LIG and MIG.
I see. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share.